Welcome to Make It Smarter, where you will find math and science tutorials for middle school students. Hi class, welcome to this tutorial about multiplying fractions. When you are multiplying fractions, you multiply numerators. In this case, our numerator of this first fraction is 5, and the numerator of the second fraction is 2, and then we have a denominator 6 and 3. We're going to multiply the numerators, 5 times 2. So we're going to multiply these two numbers, and then we're going to multiply these two numbers. So let's rewrite it. Our new numerator is going to be the product of 5 times 2. Product is the answer of a multiplication question. And the new denominator is going to be the product of 6 times 3. So let's rewrite this again. So we're going to do 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10. And 6 times 3 is 18. Now this fraction is not yet complete. When you are working with fractions, no matter what operation, multiplying, dividing, adding or subtracting, you always have to simplify where possible. So you're going to look for the greatest common factor. What is the largest number that can be divided into both 10 and 18? In this case, it's 2. So I'm going to divide 10 by 2, and I'm going to divide 18 by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 18 divided by 2 is 9. And that's our final answer. So here we have another fraction. In this case, we have 7 over 8 times 3 over 7. We are going to do the same as before. We're going to multiply the numerators, 7 times 3, and we're going to multiply the denominators, 8 times 7. Let's rewrite this. Our new numerator is going to be the product of 7 times 3. And our new denominator is going to be the product of 8 times 7. We know that 7 times 3 is 21. And 8 times 7 is 56. So same as before, we have to ask ourselves if this is our final answer. And again, it isn't. Both 21 and 56 share a factor, and the largest factor they share is 7. So we can divide them both by 7. If we divide them both by 7, we get a final answer of 21 divided by 7 is 3, and 56 divided by 7 is 8.